At New Jersey American Water, providing safe, reliable water service is our top priority. The state of New Jersey is now requiring all water providers to share with customers the material of the water service lines leading to their properties, if known. It also requires water utilities to replace all utility-owned and customer-owned lead and galvanized service lines within the next 10 years. If your service lines are lead or galvanized, it does not mean you cannot use water as you normally do. The water provided to you by New Jersey American Water meets state and federal water quality standards, including those for lead. So, how do you know if your service lines are lead or galvanized? You can visit our new interactive webpage and map to learn more at newjerseyamwater.com/leadfacts. Here, customers can enter their address to learn what their service line material is. Simply click on the map, agree to the terms and conditions, and hit OK. Then click on the Find Address field and enter the address. The map will zoom in on the address and show the service line material on the utility and customer side. If your customer-owned side is identified as unknown or you believe it is not accurately identified, we invite you to help identify it and report that information to us. Follow the directions provided, upload a photo, and submit. Below the map, you'll find more information and resources. Click on Our Approach to learn about the steps we take to meet standards for water quality. Click on Assess and Reduce Exposure to learn how you can reduce the potential risk of lead exposure. The FAQ provides additional information and answers to many questions. If the answers to your questions are not found on our webpage, you can ask us directly by completing the Contact Us form or emailing us at leadfreenj@amwater.com.